Hi, I am Dr. Kuldeep from Department of Pharmacy Government Polytechnic Jalgaon. I welcome you all in this video tutorial on hospital and clinical pharmacy. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about drug information services. Generally, we can say it as the pharmacy library. Let's see it. What is the learning objectives? After watching this video tutorial, you will be able to define Drug Information Center. What are the objectives of it? Explain the uses of Drug Information Center. List out which information is provided by the DIC. Describe the sources of information inside DIC and the services offered by the DIC. As well as we will emphasize on the importance of Drug Information Bulletin. Let's see them one by one. In today's globalized world, there is a tremendous growth in the medical information as well as tremendous data is available from the Food and Drug Administration as well as the other investigation or the investigators around the world. So, the physicians or the hospital staff is confusing how to choose the best information source and on which source they should be reliable. For this, World Health Organization developed Drug Information Center to provide a rational use of the drugs. Information is nothing but the provision of written or verbal information about drugs and drug therapy in response to a request from other healthcare providing organizations, committees, and public community. Whereas the Drug Information Center provides in-depth, unbiased source of crucial drug information to meet needs of the practicing physicians, pharmacists, and other healthcare professionals. Very first drug information center is developed at University of Kentucky in 1960. One of the greatest achievement of the America is 80% of the hospitals have their own drug information center. If we look at the Indian scenario, World Health Organization of Indian branch in collaboration with Karnataka State Pharmacy Council has developed 5 drug information centers in India as listed here in Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Assam and Goa. As well as in Maharashtra, there is also development of drug information center by Maharashtra State Pharmacy Council. So, in India also, various drug information centers are available to provide the rational use of the drugs information towards the hospitals. The objectives behind development of the drug information center is to promote evidence-based practices, to meet the patient's needs while providing pharmaceutical care, to improve the patient's adherence toward the therapy, to provide accurate and unbiased information, and to provide an organized database to give the information toward the healthcare sectors. Various types of the information is available at drug information centers like general about the drugs, what is the category, how it is classified, which category drug is this. The pharmacological information about the drugs, toxicity related issues, formulations available inside the country, pharmacokinetics of particular dosage form or the particular drug, and the adverse effect if they are reported or drug may prone toward the particular adverse effects inside the particular community. So this type of the information is provided and it is available inside the DIC. Now question maybe arises in your mind that where from DIC collect this information? So DIC have their own sources and these sources are categorized in primary, secondary, tertiary and other related sources. Let's see what are the primary sources of information. The primary sources are nothing but the original information from the drug researchers, those who are engaged in finding out the new drugs for the particular treatment, scientific journals, patents, theses, and proceedings of the conferences. The secondary sources of drug informations are review articles published in the renowned journals, databases like PubMed, Scopus, National Library of Medicine Gateway, etc., and the drug information sites of various countries. The tertiary sources of information are nothing but the textbooks, various pharmacopoeias, encyclopedia, and the dictionaries. Whereas the other sources includes hospitals, the information gathered from the hospitals about the usage of drugs on their own, local drug list of particular country, manufacturers, internet, government and non-government organizations. Various services are offered by the DIC. Information about drugs, poison management information, patient education services, assistant on drug usage in hospital, professional assistance for the new drugs and reporting and investigation of adverse drug reactions. So all these services are offered by DIC. The Drug Information Center publish a journal or a periodical or a booklet of current information on drugs, various technical aspects, and modernization of hospital practices, which is referred as Drug Information Bulletin. This bulletin is used for transmission of information to the members of healthcare team, and its regular publication is needed on the latest developments inside the healthcare sector. The importance of Drug Information Bulletin is it provides a link between DIC and health professionals. Information provided in a shortest time when it is available. It gives the information about recent advances in medical field. It produces question answer sessions conducted for the hospital. So once the query is asked from the hospital, it is answered in a very well organized way, and it gives up to date knowledge about the drugs on the rational use of drugs to the patient to achieve the highest possible patient care. Let's summarize it. Drug information centers regarded as a gateway of a drug information. It is responsible for the highest possible standard drug information. It also depends on the sources of information and finds out the reliable source of information. Drug information centers aim at a rational use of drugs, and bulletin, which is published by the DIC, provided time to time about the drug information. These are the probable questions on the chapters. Hope you will solve these assignments. There is a one brainstorming question for you. How the questions asked by the health professional is answered at Drug Information Center. Search on the internet, ask to your teachers and find out the answer to this question. If you found the answer, then add it into the comment box that how the question is answered at a DIC. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.